Now here we will discuss in stereochemistry that part, that is remaining part, that is racemic mixture. Racemic mixture. What is racemic mixture or racemization? Racemic mixture means what? It is a mixture of dextro and levorotatory, that is plus and minus mixture of 50:50. See here, the mixture of dextro and levorotatory 50:50 to form DL or plus minus, that is said to be racemic mixture, and the process and the phenomena is known as racemization, right? And dextro-levorotatory we have studied in that previous video, that is plane polarized, that is optically active optical isomerism में, right? Now see here, there is in racemic mixture compound is formed, that is the process of conversion of one enantiomer positive into racemic mixture, that is racemization. For example, here we will discuss term retention. What do you mean by retention? Retention means what? In simple language, in a chiral carbon, right? Suppose that X is a leaving group. This is a leaving group. This leaving group is substituted by, suppose that Z, right? So this Z is attacked to the place of this X. So that is here what happened. This X is a leaving group, it eliminate, and that place is substituted by Z, that is the retention. Means in simple language, substitution to the same place of the leaving group is known as retention, right? See here in this example, chiral carbon containing A, B, C and X. So here X is a leaving group, and substituted by Y. So see here, Y is substituted to the same place of X. That is the example of retention. So that is the retention. Now here we will discuss one more example of retention. See here, this is the compound. Here OH is substituted. See here, now see here, this is the compound in which this is the OH group, compound containing OH. This OH is substituted by the Cl. So here we will observe that the Cl is substituted to the same place of OH. That is also an example of retention. That is 2-methylbutane 1-ol, right? Number 1 position containing all, and that all is substituted. See here, 1-chloro 2-methylbutane. Clear? Means in place of 1-ol, it become 1-chlorobutane, not all, butane, right? So here this is the example which indicate that is retention. Retention means same place of the leaving group. Substitution takes place to the same place of the leaving group, that is retention. Now see here we will discuss inversion. What do you mean by inversion? Itself it indicate inversion means opposite side. So here substitution takes place to the opposite side is known as inversion. See here we will study here, that is in case of SN2 reaction, attack of nucleophile to the opposite side, that is also example of inversion. We can write that. So here if the position of the substituent gets changed by 180 degree, then it should be inversion of mixture. See example here, it clearly shows that OH is substituted to the opposite side of the leaving group, that is Cl. That is the example of inversion. Now see here, same example, OH, this is the molecule. Here OH is attacked to this to form OH bonded with Cl. This Cl is a leaving group, it should be eliminated, and that is the product formation. So substitution of this is a leaving group L, and this is the substituted part nucleophile, it attack to form leaving group is to be liberated out. So here this is the example of the inversion, that is in case of SN2 reaction. See here, stereochemistry of SN2 reaction. SN2 reaction is optically active alkyl halide, always accompanied by the inversion of configuration at the symmetric center, right? मीन्स कायरल कार्बन कंटेनिंग, कोई भी कायरल कार्बन होगा उसमें कायरल कार्बन में इफ यू आर एडिंग न्यूक्लियोफाइल, then leaving group is removed to the opposite side and substitution takes place to the opposite side of the leaving group. See here the example given, 2-bromo-octane. Now 2-bromo-octane is here. This 2-bromo-octane is on heating and react with caustic. So NaBr is to be removed and OH is attacked to the opposite side. That is an example of inversion. This is an example of inversion, that is in 2-bromo-octane. Right, in this way you prepare and complete all this part, so we will discuss. Now here stereochemistry, that is SN2 SN1 reaction. In case of SN1 reaction, compound containing compound halogen, it is substituted by OH as a nucleophile. So halogen is to be removed because of plus I effect. So there is a formation of carbocation. This carbocation attacked with the nucleophile OH to form compound, and OH group attached to the same carbon of the leaving group. That is SN1 reaction, and it is a S retention. Now here also the example of enantiomer, that is 3-methyl pent 1-ene. Draw the structure compound, then arrange in such a way that is a chiral carbon, then draw its mirror image. You will get its object and image. If object image are overlap, then superimposable. If they are non-overlap, then it is said to be enantiomer, non-superimposable. And when source of light is passed, they are optically active because they are differentiate.